Hi, I'm Sharon Urick, principal of St. Mary's School, Elyria. We want to welcome you to our school and invite you to our open house on Sunday, January 27th from 10:30 to 12:30. At St. Mary's, we try to we make sure that the students are in a safe environment. It's a multicultural environment, which is really good for the kids because that mimics our society. And it's faith-based. All faiths are welcome. You don't have to be Catholic, so that's another important aspect of our school. It's in the heart of the city, and many parents find that very convenient. We offer financial assistance because tuition is very pricey. Nowadays, to educate a child, it's usually over $8,000. Granted, our tuition isn't that high. We are subsidized somewhat from the parish, and that's one of Father Charlie's big things, is that he doesn't want to see a child not come to St. Mary's because they can't afford it. So we try to do everything we can to make that possible. Registration is now open. We look forward to being part of your child's life and their educational experience in our family-centered environment here at St. Mary's School.